How can teens plan and execute successful projects and events? If you're a teen looking to plan and execute a successful project or event, you're probably wondering where to start and how to make it all come together smoothly. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First, let's talk about setting goals. When you start a project, it's crucial to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. This means defining your goals and charting your progress. For example, if you're organizing a party, your goal might be to create an unforgettable night for your guests. You need to know what that looks like and what steps you need to take to get there. Next, you need to break down your project into smaller tasks and set deadlines. This is where you turn your big idea into actionable steps. For a party, this could mean choosing a date and time, selecting a venue, deciding on a theme and decorations, creating a playlist, and planning the food and drinks. Each of these tasks needs to be given a realistic deadline so you can stay on track. Once you have your tasks and deadlines, it's time to choose and implement your strategies. This is where you decide how you're going to get everything done. For instance, if you're working on a group project, you might use tools like Trello to manage your tasks and keep everyone on the same page. If you're planning a party, you might create a shared calendar to keep track of who's doing what and when. Monitoring and adjusting your plan is also key. Things won't always go as planned, so you need to be ready to solve problems and make changes as needed. If you're planning a party and the venue suddenly becomes unavailable, you need to have a backup plan. If you're working on a project and a team member gets sick, you need to adjust the workload accordingly. For events like parties, choosing the right date and time is vital. You want to pick a time that works for all your guests, like a weekend when everyone is free. Then, you need to select a venue that has enough space, seating, and amenities for your guests. Make sure to check local rules and regulations, especially if you're planning to have music or a large gathering. When it comes to the details of your event, think about the theme and decorations. Choose a theme that fits your guests' interests, and decorate accordingly. For example, if you're having a Star Wars-themed party, you'll want to use decorations like lightsabers, starships, and character cutouts. Music and food are also essential parts of any event. Create a playlist that includes a variety of music to cater to different tastes, and make sure you have a good sound system. For food and drinks, plan a menu that is appealing to your guests and ensure you have enough for everyone. Finally, communication is crucial. Send out invitations well in advance with all the important details, including the date, time, location, and theme. Use online registration solutions to keep track of who's coming and to get feedback from your guests. By following these steps, setting clear goals, breaking down tasks, choosing effective strategies, monitoring and adjusting your plan, and paying attention to the details of your event, you can ensure that your project or event is a success. Remember, planning is key, but being flexible and ready to adapt is just as important.